Okay, here we have the MSI ge72vr gaming laptop. This is the one I cycled to Braintree to go get, and the rear tyre exploded on my bike. I had to cycle it home all the way on the rim whilst holding the laptop, which was a bit of a challenge. So it's in its original box. Yeah, that's not good. There's some tape on the power brick, but the power brick is there and intact by the looks of it. Here's the other end of it. Hopefully, I've not actually opened this yet, so I don't know what it looks like. I know there is some damage to the display assembly, not the actual screen itself though. Okay, we have a little dent there. I want to put the camera down for this because I know there is some damage to the display, and I do not wish to cause any more damage to the display. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. It's on. It's actually on. The PC was on when I cycled here with it. That's interesting. No idea how much battery it's got left. I don't really want a password. Yeah. What a load of bollocks. Hey, you got to put password. I know it's avoidable, but I've not set this installation up. I'm just simply going next. Really? Yes, I know I'm showing you security questions and all that stuff. Okay, so we'll skip this bit and show you later this machine in action running a benchmark, hopefully. The rest of it looks pretty. There's a little scratch there. There's a few little marks there. That's a microphone. I think there's a dent there. I don't know how you call that little. It's almost like someone's left a screw in it or something and then folded it shut. Has a webcam. There's a crack right there to the display assembly. I believe this bit to be aluminium as well. No, it's plastic. No, it is plastic on this one. Mum's one's metal round here. That one's cracked, as you can see there. I think it's just superficial though. I might have to buy a new display assembly part. I'm sure I can get one used. £200 for it wasn't a bad deal considering the specs. A few marks here. Yeah, pretty good machine, I'd say. That concludes this video. So